Say updates to the suite, like the way updates the suite. So that's why I'm always bringing updates to your doorstep. I'm always bringing things that will favor you, things that will give you money, things that will benefit you. Okay, quickly let me show you something. I will agree to terms and conditions here, and I'll say skip introduction, use mobile data, yes, because normally it will ask me to use my mobile data. So earnings may be limited, Android OS may shut down the Honeygain app to save battery and the rest of it, disable app optimization. Now I'm going to say sign up and claim. I already have an account here, so let me try and sign in to my account and see whether they will still allow me, because it's been long. What you do here is just whenever you on your data and you are online chatting, watching TikTok, watching YouTube video and the rest of it, just make sure that you come and activate your Honeygain app